Two of the biggest questions I'm getting right now is what's next for home prices and when will the mortgage rates come down? And here's the latest information that I got from both of these. Let's start with the prices. A survey of over 100 experts show that prices are expected to go up at least in the next 5 years. That means that if you wait and prices continue to go up, the price of a home will only be higher on later. And what about the rates? Well, the rates here is going to depend on inflation, the economy, political events, and the upcoming decision of the Feds. Experts still think that they will come down later this year, but the change in these factors can definitely impact the timing. So should we wait or buy now? Based on all this, if you're ready to able to move now, it would still be a good idea to buy right now. Rather than trying to time the market, think about the time in the market as a success strategy. I'm here to help you. So I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate agent in Lakeview, Chicago. I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. Call me if you have any questions regarding the buying process, the selling process, 773-550-4846.